It was at that moment that Sparky questioned every decision that he had made during the 6 long years of his life. Why didn't he try harder to get to his mother's teat as a pup like his brothers and sisters did? What if he would have turned his charm on harder when the Smiths came to look at him, instead of going home with the McCormicks, a ridiculous family of frisbee enthusiasts? What if he would have jumped 1 second sooner and 1 inch higher? What if? A life of regret. A life of near successes but ultimate failures. I am without worth, Sparky thought to himself, just before colliding with Lance McCormick, son of Tommy McCormick and recent recipient of a brand new Google Pixel XL smartphone with slow motion video capture technology.